Hope you're all enjoying yourselves. If you schmooze up to any of the owners, you can get to sit in and pretend you're driving a tank or a Spitfire or something, I'm sure. This is a Virulent song. 1937, if I remember rightly. Fantastic tune, because at that point in the world, smoking was the good thing to do. Smoke capstans. They'll clear your chest out, no problem. just don't forget to expectorate in the cuspidor, etc. I'm a fellow with a heart of gold and the ways of a gentleman. I've been told I'm the kind of guy who wouldn't even harm a flea. But I'm telling you now, if I ever met the guy that invented the cigarette, boy, I'd murder that son of a gun in the first degree. Well, it ain't that I don't smoke myself now. I don't believe that to hinder your health. I've smoked them all my life and I ain't dead yet. But nicotine slaves are all the same. From a petting party to a poker game, everything gotta stop while they smokes a cigarette. Smoke, smoke, smoke that cigarette. Pop, 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 and if you smoke yourself to death, tell St. Peter at the Golden Gate that you itch to make him wait. You gotta have another cigarette.
Finish your battery! Take post! Yeah, I did. Two gun ready. Number two gun. Fire. Fire. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I did feel it. I
Told you it was going to be loud. Number two gun ready. Number two gun. Fire. Fire.
I heard that. I got that.
Two gun ready.
Okay. At this point now,
Ready,
he's going to take a picture with ice cream fire. Yeah. The number one will tell you. Take your pictures. Okay. Number two gun. Fire. Fire.
Oh, I didn't get it. I got it just before. I got it. Irak. Oh, dat is Irak met niet hoor.
One gun ready.
Number one gun. Fire.
I never heard him say ready, did you?
I wonder if that landed quite low, so I wonder if I can see that big one.
They're not giving you any warning about it, are they?
Where is it going though? I can see all this.
Listen up. Stand by!